Well, here we are. It's the day after Thanksgiving, Black Friday. I wonder how many people will get black eyes because of a color TV today. Not me, I'm not that guy, but when there's a sale on and I can save 50 bucks on something I've been wanting to buy, I'll go for it. And besides, it's a tool store. Harbor Freight has something on sale today that I've been wanting, and I can save about 50 bucks. So I'm gonna go get it. Let's go. Let me say something about Harbor Freight. I know I go over there quite a bit. If I was a professional and using these tools every day, I probably wouldn't buy these tools. But I'm kind of a do-it-yourselfer, and I do a lot of different things. I do wood and things like that, and work with wood, and that's what I'm getting ready to do. I got a project here. These tools are fine for the do-it-yourselfer. There's some things over there that I wouldn't buy, but for the most part, what I found is the things that I buy over there work for me. And hey, if you can save a buck, I'm all for it. If you want to go buy the name brand stuff, hey, that's fine. You know, go for it. It's your money. Do what you want to with it. But I'm just telling you that for the most part, this stuff's pretty decent. Okay, here's what we got. A Harbor Freight miter saw stand. These were on sale today. And this one's got the wheels on it. And there's a picture of what it looked like. Guy using it. These are about 169 bucks regularly. You can get them on sale with the 20% for about 130, 125. But I bought this because of that. That beast right there, it's hard to pack around. And you have to put it up on a table. You gotta have table space for it. I never had table space for it. This thing here has got the rollers on the end of it, on each end of it. You'll see, I'll put it together here in a minute. Yeah, right there has got some glare. But anyway, say hey, Smokey. That's Smokey. And that's Fred. They're my sidekicks. But anyway, put this thing together and when I get it put together, I'll show it to you. All right, here's what we ended up with. It's all put together. You can see that. You can take this, if you don't like that saw where it's at, you can take and slide it. Has locks on it. Lock that down. Those lock down. It's got these slides on the end. Slide these out for your stock. It gives you 16 feet. 8 feet on each side. They just lock in. The legs fold up. You can stand it up and roll it around. Got a handle on it. I'll shut this off and fold it up and show you what it looks like then. Well, there's what you end up with. Standing up by itself. Saw's still on it. You can take it and roll that over in the corner. And then you don't have to worry about dragging that stinking saw around. That's what it looks like all folded up. Pretty neat deal. I think it's probably worth it. It's heavy. It's heavy duty. It's not cheap by any means, and I'm well pleased with the way it went together and everything. Got a project we're getting ready to start in the kitchen. I'm going to film that. We're going to put a ceiling in there, the wood ceiling in out of tongue and groove, and that was the main reason I bought this thing. So, hey, appreciate you guys watching. Hit the like button down there. Like this video, and if you like my channel, subscribe to it. I'd appreciate it. See y'all later.